Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the YARDCARE N1600 Pro wireless robot lawnmower. And honestly, yeah, this thing feels a lot like a robot vacuum version of lawn care. There's no boundary wires, no pushing a mower around in the heat, and everything is controlled right from your phone. This model uses RTK plus AI vision navigation for really precise mowing, and it's designed for yards up to about 0.4 acres. So today, I'm going to show you the setup, the app features, obstacle avoidance, mapping, mowing performance, and how it handles multiple lawn areas around your yard. Let's check it out. So one of the biggest features with the N1600 Pro is the RTK positioning system. You want the RTK station installed in a very open area with a clear view of the sky so it can maintain accurate positioning. And what's cool is this mower can achieve centimeter level positioning accuracy, which helps it navigate really clean and organized mowing paths. So unlike older robot mowers that bounce around randomly, this one actually maps your yard and moves in a much smarter pattern. You also don't need to install any boundary wires around your lawn, which makes setup way easier. Everything is done virtually inside the app. The charging dock setup was also really straightforward. You just place it in a level area with good access for the mower to return and dock automatically. And the mower can intelligently return to the dock whenever the battery gets below 20%. It also has a built-in rain sensor, so if rain is detected, it can automatically head back to the charging station to protect itself. And speaking of charging, it takes about 140 minutes to fully charge and gives you around 100 minutes of mowing time. Now, let's talk about the app, because this is really where the smart features really come in. Inside the YARDCARE app, you can create mowing zones, adjust schedules, monitor the mower in real time, and even manage multiple lawn areas. You also get 9 different cutting height adjustments, ranging from 0.8 inches all the way up to 2.4 inches. So whether you like your lawn super short or a little taller, you can customize it right off from your phone. You can also create mowing schedules, so the mower automatically works on certain days and times. And I like that it supports OTA updates too, which means the mower can continue getting software improvements over time. If you have separated lawn sections, you can even create passages between the zones, so the mower can intelligently travel between different mowing areas. Now, for the initial mapping process, you basically guide the mower around your lawn using the app. While you're walking with it, the mower is actually building a virtual map of your yard in real time. And this is where the RTK and AI vision system really help because it maps very accurately. You can also create no-go zones directly inside of the app. So for example, if you have a trampoline, a flower bed like I do, patio furniture, or a pool area that you want the mower to avoid, you can outline that section on the map. Then later while mowing, the robot automatically recognizes those restricted zones and skips them completely. It's actually pretty satisfying seeing it navigate around those areas without needing physical barriers. One thing I noticed right away is how organized the mowing pattern looks. Instead of randomly driving around, the N1600 Pro uses a structured U-shaped mowing pattern. So the lawn ends up looking cleaner and more even. It also handles edge trimming very well, especially if your lawn edges are level with the surrounding ground. You can really see those clean mowing lines forming across the yard. It gives the lawn a much more professional appearance compared to those random pattern mowers. The mower also has a 18 centimeter cutting diameter, which helps it cover the lawn efficiently. It uses a 3-blade system. Another major feature is obstacle recognition and AI safety detection. The mower can recognize over 300 different types of obstacles. So I just put a big rock in front of it to see what happens. As the mower approaches it, it slows down, detects the obstacle, and smoothly navigates around it without crashing into anything. It also reacts to sudden obstacles placed in front of it while mowing. So if something unexpectedly appears in its path, the mower can detect and avoid it automatically. That's especially helpful around outdoor furniture, toys, pets, or any objects that may end up in the yard. And of course, there are built-in safety features too, including a big emergency stop button and a lift stop function so that it immediately stops the blades if the mower is ever picked up. The N1600 Pro can also handle slopes up to 20 degrees, which is great for uneven yards. And since it has an IPX4 waterproof rating, it's built to handle normal outdoor conditions without any problems. Another thing I noticed is how quiet it is while running. Compared to a gas mower, the noise level is dramatically lower. So you can run it early in the morning or late in the evening without completely disturbing the whole neighborhood. Now, one smart feature I really like is the automatic resume function. When the battery gets low, the mower automatically returns to the charging dock by itself. Then, once it's charged back up, it resumes mowing exactly where it left off. So it remembers unfinished areas and continues the job automatically without missing sections of the lawn. That makes the entire process feel really hands-off. You basically set it up, create your schedule, and let it handle all the work. Now, let's take a look at the mowing results. You can definitely see the difference between the taller, untouched grass and the freshly cut sections. I love seeing and smelling that freshly cut grass. The lawn ends up looking much cleaner and much more uniform, and on larger sections of the yard, those organized mowing lines really stand out. It gives the grass that freshly maintained look without you having to spend time pushing a mower around in the heat. Overall, I think the YARDCARE N1600 Pro is a really impressive option if you want a smarter and more automated way to maintain your lawn. The RTK Plus AI vision system works really well, the app is really easy to use, and I like that you don't have to deal with the boundary wires. You get smart mapping, multi-zone mowing, obstacle avoidance, automatic charging, and clean, organized cutting patterns all packed into one mower. Definitely a cool piece of smart yard tech. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put the links down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.